Welcome, language enthusiasts, to a journey through the colourful and captivating world of English idioms. Idioms are more than just expressions. They are a phrase or expression that typically presents a figurative, non-literal meaning attached to the words used. They're the secret code that adds flair and flavour to our everyday conversations. In this short video series, I'll be unlocking the mysteries behind some of the most useful and entertaining idioms in the English language. If you're hungry for more knowledge, or if you're looking to take your English skills to the next level, join me for private lessons. Together, we can explore the intricacies of the English language in a personalised and engaging way. Click the link in the description to learn more about how you can join me for one-on-one sessions. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling is an idiom that means to start a process or an activity, to initiate something, or to set something in motion. When someone says, "Let's get the ball rolling," they're suggesting that it's time to begin a particular task, project, or event. It's an expression often used to encourage action or to kickstart a plan. Once the ball is rolling, it implies that things will start moving forward and progress will be made. For example, if we want to meet the deadline, we have to get the ball rolling. If you found this idiom useful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your fellow language enthusiasts, and drop a comment below sharing your example for this idiom or a situation where you'd use it. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep practicing.